Hi, welcome to the unboxing of the new Halfords PW50 pressure washer. I have had the Karcher for a while, but it gave up the ghost, broke down, and whilst it performed well, this hose assembly reel, you know, where you park the hose away, it's not a great design, and the hose is really stiff, so obviously winding it back onto itself is really tricky. So, you know, there's some features that aren't so good on the Karcher, but the Karcher's dead now. So, spotted this in Halfords and it caught my eye. So we'll do a bit of unboxing and we'll have a little test. So we'll have a pause and I'll get it out the box. So it's together, basically 12 screws. So the first job is you screw these mounting plates for the hose reel, two screws, hold the housing on, yep. And then this handle assembly, yep. That pushes back over, yep. And then you put the screws in from the front, from the back, sorry. So that's all together. And then just clip the lance holder in, click the cable tidy in. So it's got a quite nice little cable tidy on there. Yeah, keep you out of the way. And then there's a water connection with a filter. And then the main feed to the reel goes on the bottom. And you get a free snow foam applicator. So, as a comparison with the Karcher, it has a really difficult cable reeling device which doesn't really work. There's no cable tidy, so basically it ends up a bit of a mess. And yeah, so I'm really happy with that. So, next thing is, we'll get some water on it and give it a try. Oh, there's a tool holder at the back which has got some different degree nozzles. So I think it's 515 and the white one is 40 degree fan angle. So we'll just see how that pans out, see what it's like. So we'll pause it again and we'll get some water on it. So we've got the water connected, got the power on. The instructions advise you to run some water through first, so we will do that. Go. Some water through there. Okay. Sorry, right. We'll put the try the 40 degree nozzle in. Just clicks in there, turn the power on, and we're on. So see what we've got. She's ready to go. So that's it. That's the little road test of the Halfords Advanced Cleaner, and it looks pretty powerful. That I'm quite pleased with it, and it's got a better assembly. It's a bigger machine. It's got a nice reeling action for the hose, and yeah, it seems to have plenty of power. There's no leaks. It's a good, nice unit. I'm pleased with it. Good buy, and I got unexpected discount. I think it was priced for $249. And I got it for, I think it was $215, so I got a bit of a discount there. So one last little look round. So it's Halfords Advanced pressure washer. There's a water filter in there. There's a lance holder. There's a reel. So obviously it's a lot more easy to use, and the hose seems a bit more flexible than the Karcher as well. So yeah, it's all good. Give it another blast. I think you can turn the nozzle. I'll just give that a try. Yeah, turn the nozzle through 90 degrees. So you get another pattern. Just reel the hose in. Hey. How easy is that? Easy peasy. Put it in its little home like that. Ready to go. So I am a happy man. See you in the next video. Bye now.